What happens when the tool of a writer becomes the haunting echo of his inner turmoil? In the Coen brothers' Barton Fink, the iconic typewriter scene encapsulates this struggle. As the keys pound away relentlessly, they mirror Barton's descent into madness, each strike resonating the chaos within. The room, once filled with creative ambition, becomes a cage of self-doubt. This cinematic moment captures not just a writer's block, but the very essence of artistic struggle. It transforms a simple writing device into a symbol of creativity shackled by despair, leaving a profound impact on how narrative depth can be visualized in film.